guys, maglalaro tayo ng A Fortress Tower. So, nalaro ko na kasi siya. So, magre-reset R na lang tayo. Andito na kasi ako dito na park. Hala ka, malapit yun ha. Hala ka, bubo. Hala, nakakainis talaga doon na park. Magpapahulog tayo ng ganun. Human desire, the spelling light. Ganun ba? Pero gusto ko siya matatapos talaga kasi yung may mga ibang players. Kaya ko yun. First time ko nakita na kinaya ko yung bus ko para makapunta dito, be. Mga bobo kayo. Guys, malapit na natin siya matapos and sana naman ma-reach natin, guys. Doon talaga sa... Marami pa kayong pagtutuluyan kaso lamang talaga naiinis ako kasi natapos ko doon banda, be. Talaga, ang ina kasi, guys. Kaya ayaw na nito maglaro. Yep. Doon, may part na yun.
3 months, engaged na kayo. How did you know, Ellen, that Derek was the one?
Ow!
I actually don't know.
Dito tayo. Ano na naman? To ay ganun. Teka muna. Mag-reset ay muna tayo. Lagi na lang ako namamatay. Hala ka! Hala ka! Dapat mag-i-stop tayo nun. Talaga, binaiinis ako masyado. Dararararara. This is feeling like I'm wishing those tire.
We planned it. So
Go!
remember the vows you were with the jacket.
Go up!
And then you started and she was saying all of this.
Hala!
And she ended. I promise you, I will never
Pangarap ko lang! Halo ko!
to be the bitch that I am forever.
Tae, nakaya ko yun. Oh my gosh. Hala ko! Daya naman itong laro na to. Sorry guys, kung talaga binaiinis ako. Like, magsha-shout ako guys.
Because the first
Oh my gosh! ACOB, AC niya! Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Gusto ko ma-reach na matapos to. Dito. Ala! Nakakainis yun. Napupunta pala siya dun. Wala pa nga yun, be! Nahulog na tayo! Easy. Ang easy lang naman ito. Malapit na talaga tayo mawin. Tararararara. It's meant falling like the stars. Yes, love in the sky. Huwag tayo magpahulog, nakakainis. Dito tayo, punta tayo. Dito. Sundan nyo lang yung steps ko. Ay! Okay na, namatay na naman tayo. Mukha lang to sa trolley sa Pink Tower to, diba? Hindi yun kasama doon. Hindi sila hindi sila kadikit. Di ba?
was our biggest fight.
Hindi sila kadikit.
Remember that?
Malapit ko na kasi ito matapos kaya talaga hindi ako nasali. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, kaya ko talaga to, Lord. Malapit guys, malapit na. Feeling ko talagang maliligtas ako dito. Kasi si Lord, may reset or... Okay.
And then we fought.
Okay.
It just got bigger and bigger. To the point that
Dol.
di na tuloy ang
Dol.
And mom and dad getting involved.
Okay.
Well, I guess
Oh!
drama na lang yun. But
Oh,
there was one time she returned the ring.
mamamatay ako
up the
dito,
stairs.
sabi ni Lord.
Yeah.
Hindi na magganun si Lord, oh. Iyak na ako for the first time.
That's the stairs.
We were drunk, okay?
No,
I
that
was drunk.
no, not when you returned the ring. Because that was funny. When
Eh, hindi
you
na ako
sinoli niya yung ring.
Ah, la 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 last minute falling let us let it rain has in the fight this time. Langit na yung napuntahan ko dun.
No!
Hindi talaga, gama na matagal.
Alam mo, hindi ko na siya nakakita sa view.
Tagaling nakamove on
Bi-
from that incident.
Ano tong color na to?
Ulit-ulit every time you fight.
Okay, so Ellen,
Hintayin na
it was
natin.
you.
Yeah.
Just you.
Yeah.
But when you met Darren,
Okay.
you were different.
Ah!
How do I start? Oh yeah. So I had Elias.
Ah! Ah!
I think that's when things broke you. So
Yeah, I was pregnant. I got pregnant, and then 2 weeks before I gave birth, my dad died.
yeah.
And then biglaan, and then postpartum, and then
54 na ako na.
relationship. So parang nagsabay-sabay siya. And then I was really in a dark place. For
Ikaw kasi yung bida-bida para hindi ka tamariset!
years when I joined the team.
Mm!
Oh my God, girl, it's such a parang love. I cannot remember. Parang now it's
Uy, gana! Halok ko, hindi siya nag-ano.
Yeah, because I guess it's because it was super
Hindi
dark.
siya nag-ano.
And it's not a place that you want to go back to.
Siya gumagana.
my life from before I joined the program was very different. Diba? I had no rituals, I had no routine, like I
Ba't
was
wala
taking
ko-
care of myself. And 2 weeks, I joined the program.
Ah!
Different, like everything.
Ang bilis! Ang bilis, ang bilis, ang bilis.
Before it was done.
Ang bilis ng
I
eksena.
stopped drinking when I was pregnant na, and then natuloy-tuloy na siya. So it was just my mind.
But what was the biggest shift in you?
I remember she told me that she wanted to become a good mom to Elias.
Nuna,
I remember she
nuna,
told me
nuna,
that.
nuna,
That's
na,
why
na,
I
na.
was like,
Nuna,
one of the
nung mga
reasons why I fell in love with
gani